Hey guys, I'm Megan with WTI. If you're feeling the pinch of rising food costs, I have a great solution for you. Buy your food on sale and freeze it. One of the best ways to do that is with a vacuum sealer, and this one by Toprime is awesome. I really love the sleek design of this vacuum sealer and the clean white color. It comes with a cord that you just plug into the wall once you're ready to use it. And this thing is really easy to use. You can vacuum seal either moist or dry food, so you would choose the appropriate setting. So here I am vacuum sealing my sausages so that I can freeze them. You put them in the bags provided. They give you 10, by the way, as a starter kit. Insert it into the machine and wait for the click. Then you press the vacuum seal button and let it do its work. This is going to allow your meat to preserve its freshness up to 1 year instead of 2 to 3 months. So no more gray, tough, bland food. I did it with buns as well. And the pulse feature is amazing so that it doesn't squish your buns completely. Then you press the seal button after and voila, you are done and you've got fresh buns in the freezer for later, saving you lots of money. There's also a really cool bag slicer on top, so just place your bag over it and slide the slicer. It's so easy to use. So if you're looking for a great way to save money on groceries while still preserving their freshness, I definitely recommend this vacuum sealer by Toprime, and that's my point of view.